Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on non-homogeneous PDE, the solution of non-homogeneous PDE. Okay. In this method we find dependent variable which being the solution by removing differential operator through the process of integration. Let's see the first problem. Dou square zy dou x dou y is equal to sin x sin y, for which dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y when x value is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 when y is odd multiple of pi by 2. I'll repeat again. The condition dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y when x value is equal to 0 and z value is equal to 0 when y is odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Mathematically we write 2n plus 1 odd number times pi by 2. Next, this question is asked in these question papers of VTU CBCS scheme. Let's check out the solution. First, we can write dou square z by dou x dou y in terms of dou by dou x times dou z by dou y, that's equal to sin x sin y. Integrating with respect to x. While integrating with respect to x, we should treat y as constant. On integration, dou by dou x gets cancelled with respect to x, then dou z by dou y is equal to sin y is constant taken out from the integration times sin x integration with respect to x plus the constant of integration is must be function of y since y is constant here. Next, we will get dou z by dou y is equal to sin y as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus f of y. We'll take this equation as equation number 1. Next, integrating with respect to y. When integrating with respect to y, we should treat x as constant. So, we will get z is equal to minus cos x is constant, integration of sin y with respect to y now plus f of y, you should integrate with respect to y plus the constant of integration is g of x. Next, you will get z is equal to minus cos x as it is. Integration of sin y with respect to y is minus cos y plus integration of f of y dy is, I'll write f capital F of y plus g of x. We get z is equal to cos x into cos y, since negative into negative is positive, plus capital F of y plus g of x. I'll take it as equation number 2. Next, look at the condition number 1. When x is equal to 0, dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y. That is, when x is equal to 0, dou z by dou y is equal to minus 2 sin y. Substitute this in equation number 1. The value of dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y. Substitute the left hand side. That's equal to minus sin y as it is. Cos x, x is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus f of y as it is. This implies f of y is equal to minus sin y becomes plus sin y in the other side. So minus 2 sin y minus plus sin y is minus sin y, hence f of y value is minus sin y. Next capital F of y is equal to integration of small f of y dy, that is integration of minus sin y dy, that is integration of sin y is minus cos y, so negative into negative becomes positive cos y. Next, second equation becomes, substitute the capital F of y in second equation, so cos x cos y plus cos y again plus g of x. I'll take this equation as equation number 3. Now look at the second condition. When z is equal to 0, check the second condition. When z is equal to 0, y is odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Next, equation number 3 becomes, the value of y is 2n plus 1 by pi by 2, then the value of z is equal to 0. So third equation, z equal to 0 is equal to cos x as it is, substitute the value of y, that is 2n plus 1 times pi by 2, so cos of 2n plus 1 pi by 2, similarly plus cos of 2n plus 1 pi by 2 plus g of x. The value of cos 2n plus 1 times pi by 2 is 0. Similarly here also cos 2n plus 1 times pi by 2 value is 0. Hence g of x value is 0 plus 0 plus g of x equal to 0, or g of x equal to 0. Substitute this in equation number 3. G of x equal to 0, hence z equal to cos x cos y plus 0. Or you can write z equal to cos y is common taken out times cos x plus 1. Thank you.